Hello everyone, welcome to Python, the basics and fundamentals. My name is Anish and I'll be teaching this course. So Python is the perfect language for beginners because it's very easy to use, the environment is very easy to learn, and if you want to switch to another language, using Python at first will be very beneficial. Python can be used for many things like web development, AI, machine learning, mobile apps, and video games. Many big companies such as Google, Amazon, Facebook, Spotify, and also Netflix use Python, and they use it for many different reasons. So this course is going to be every Thursdays and Mondays, starting on July 7th. So for our first course, we're going to go over data types and arithmetic operators. The second course, we'll go over variables, input, print statements, and the if condition. In our third course, we're going to go over importing modules and for loops. In the fourth course, we're going to go over lists and while loops. In our fifth course, we're going to go over functions, dictionaries, and start the chatbot project, which is going to be like our final project. After that, we're going to go over string operations. And then on July 28th, our last class, we're going to be wrapping up and then presenting the chatbot project.